It is a complex issue, you know, and the matter has gone up to the Supreme Court. To address this complex issue, how to come out and start the mining activity in Goa, and even it is a problem in the entire country also. By 2020, many mines are going to be closed. So keeping both this in mind, Goa and also the entire country's mining issue is concerned, GOM is formed, and Sri Rajnath Singh ji is the chairman of this GOM, and Home Minister Amit Shah ji is also there in that, and previous Mine Minister Goyal ji is there, I am there, and already we are meeting regularly. Very shortly we are going to arrive at a decision, both as far as 2020, the entire mines, some major mines are going to be closed in Karnataka, Odisha and many parts of the country, to address that also, and the already mines which have been closed in Goa, that we are addressing very shortly. I am hopeful of coming out with a positive solution. The bureaucrats will have their own view and political class has to take a decision. We will take a decision after considering the pros and cons, and I can only say at this moment that we are very positive about it. After meeting of Mr. Sawant only, we have formed the GOM. This is what I would like the Goa people and Goa media people to understand. Immediately after his meeting with me and after meeting with Sri Amit Shah, we have formed the GOM and we apprised the Prime Minister of the seriousness of the situation, and Honorable Prime Minister was kind enough to form a GOM, and GOM is looking into all the matters related to the country and as far as Goa is.
इतल्या मजगती मुख्यमंत्री प्रमोद सावंत जोशीक मेळ्ळो. नोव्हेंबर मेरेन उपाय येतलो म्हणून प्रमोद सावंत आशेचेर आसा.
मायन्स मिनिस्टर गोंयांत आशिल्ले, तांच्या बरोबर मिटींग जाली. हांव आमचो पार्टीचो अध्यक्ष आनी खासदार अभिनय तेंडुलकर हे येतान आशिल्ले. आमी तांकां सांगलां की जाता तितके बेगीन मायनींग रिज्यूम जावपा जाय. GOMची परत एकदा ग्रुप ऑफ मिनिस्टर्सची मिटींग ऑलरेडी जाल्ली, तांच्या भितर डिस्कशन्सूय जालें. प्रायम मिनिस्टराक रोखडेंच ब्रीफ करपाचें आसा त्या विशयाचेर. वी होप सो वील कितें तरी कंक्लूड सोल्युशनचेर आमी नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत येतले हाजी आशा आसा. आमी विशय फॉलोअप करीत आसा. तांच्यांनी पॉझिटिव्हली घेतला की तांच्यांनी विशय सगळो समजून घेतला, आनी डेफिनेटली दे वील प्रेजेंट दॅट इश्यू इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर एंड ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर. डेफिनेटली इट वील रिजॉल्व.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश घाडी आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.